beliefs are like script running in the background. Even if you're not aware of them, they guide your expectation of healing or illness, resilience in challenge, interpretation of symptoms, the way you treat yourself. If you believe you are broken, your nervous system reacts as if under threat. If you believe your body is wise and capable, your physiology shifts into healing and repair. Same body, different belief, entirely different reality. Here's the truth. Beliefs are not facts. They are choices, often inherited, but always changeable.